Good morning, students. Let's start our revision class of English literature. We will start our revision with the first chapter, and the name of the first chapter is Words of Wonder. Let's start. Matilda's brother, Michael, was a normal boy. But Matilda was something to make your eyes pop. Over here, make your eyes pop means surprise. Means Matilda's brother was a normal boy, but Matilda was such a type of girl who will make you surprised. By the age of 1.5, her speech was perfect and she knew as many words as most grown-ups. Means when she was 1.5 years old, her speech was perfect and her vocabulary increased as grown-up child or children. The parents, instead of applauding her, applauding means praising or encouraging, applauding her, called her a noisy chatterbox. Chatterbox is a word used for a person who speaks a lot. Over here, Matilda's parents didn't encourage her, rather than called her chatterbox. By the time she was 3, Matilda had taught herself to read by studying newspapers and magazines that lay around the house. Means when she grew up at the age of 3, she started reading the newspapers and the magazines which were at her home. At the age of 4, she could read fast and well, and she naturally began hankering after books. When she grew 4 years old, her desire for reading books increased. She loved reading books and she could read well. The only book in whole household was called Easy Cooking. The only book she could find in her home was the book called Easy Cooking. And when Matilda had read this from cover to cover, over here relates to page, and learnt all the recipes by heart, she decided she wanted something more interesting. When she read the book page by page, she thought to herself, she must read more. She must go for other books also. Daddy, she said, do you think you could buy me a book? She is asking her father that can he buy a book for her? A book, he said. What would you want a book for? What wrong with the television set? For heaven's sake, means the father is questioning her daughter that for what reason she wants a book. And he thought that book wanted by this little girl was for her entertainment. She asked her that we have a TV set. Had something gone wrong with that TV set that you are demanding for a book? Nearly every weekday afternoon, Matilda was left alone in the house. Means when her father and mother were not at home, she used to be alone. Her brother went to school, her father went to work, and her mother went out to play bingo. Bingo is a type of game. Okay? Means her father to office, to work, brother to school, and mother to play bingo. 5 afternoons a week. 5 afternoons means 5 days. 5 afternoons a week in a town 8 miles away. Means it was from her house. The bingo playing place was 8 miles away. One afternoon, Matilda walked to the public library in the village all by herself. One day, she went to the library alone. She introduced herself to the librarian, Mrs. Phillips. She asked if she might sit a while and read a book. She went to the library alone, and over there she asked to the librarian, Mrs. Phillips, that she could sit and read a book. Mrs. Phillips, slightly taken aback means surprised, taken aback at the arrival of such a tiny girl, unaccompanied. Unaccompanied means when no one is with her by a parent, nevertheless told her she was very welcome. Means Mrs. Phillips welcomed little Matilda to library. Where are the children's books, please? Matilda asked. They are over there on those lower shelves. Mrs. Phillips told her. Would you like me to find you a nice one with lots of pictures in it? Mrs. Phillips said, would she help Matilda to find a good and interesting book for her with lots of pictures? No, thank you, Matilda said. I'm sure I can manage. Matilda said she can manage herself only. From then on, every afternoon, as soon as her mother left, Matilda would toddle down. Toddle down means go unsteadily, uneasily to the library. The walk took only 10 minutes, and she sat by herself quiet for 2 glorious hours, devouring one book after another. Means every day it was her habit to go to the library after her mother left for playing bingo, and she spent more than 2 hours reading books after books. Soon she had read every single children's books in that place. Soon all the books of children were read by Matilda. Mrs. Phillips, who had been watching with her fascination, surprise, attraction, went over to her. Can I help you, Matilda? She asked. She again asked Matilda, can I give you a help? I was wondering what to read next, Matilda said. I finished all the children's books. Matilda was confused what to read further because she had finished reading each and every children's book present in that library. You mean you have looked all the pictures? Over here, books for small ones means looking at the pictures, picture books. So Mrs. Phillips asked, means you have looked each and every picture book. Yes, but I have read the books too. Matilda said, I have not only looked at the pictures, but I have gone through the book also. I thought some very poor, though, Matilda said. Matilda said that the content of some of the books were not good, but I have gone through them. I liked The Secret Garden best of all. It was full of mystery. Means the book she liked was The Secret Garden, which was full of mystery. Mrs. Phillips was stunned, surprised. How old are you, Matilda? She asked. 4 years and 3 months. Matilda said she was 4 years and 3 months. Let's stop till here. You look for your doubts. We'll clarify it in our next class. Till then, thank you everybody.